Go back to sleep. Start snoring again, because I started videotaping and I need you to snore. Snore. Okay, 1, 2, 3, snore. Are you sleepy, Max? You look sleepy. Are you sleepy, Max? I know, I'm ridiculous. But I love you so much. Because you're so fucking cute. Snore. Go ahead. I'll wait. No, don't get up. Go to bed. Snore. No, don't get up. Snore. Ah.